Hey guys, welcome back to FreckleFace Finance, where we discuss personal finances open and honestly so that you can live the life that you deserve. Obviously, this is an impromptu video because I don't know half my usual setup, but I was just talking to my friends and I just really had something on my heart that I wanted to share with you guys, and I didn't want to worry about like putting it all together in an official like video capacity and just I didn't want to do all that. So I wanted to talk to you guys about how depression is keeping a lot of people broke. And depression is very serious. So I think a lot of the times we look at depression as, oh, you just don't want to, you can't get out of the bed and you can't socialize and you can't do all of these things, right? But if you take it a step further and just look at depression at like the secondary impacts that it has on you. So I feel like the first impacts that it has is the things that you can see. So like not spending time with your friends, not going to social events, not, being as productive throughout your day. Those are like the first things that you can visibly see how depression impacts you. But then when you start getting into the secondary impacts that depression has, one of the things is that it causes people to be very financially inept, and it can really impact you financially. So one of the ways that it can impact you financially is, one, you're not thriving to progress in any type of way because you can't. Like depression is clinically like putting you down. Like you just can't do those things when you're in that type of state. And so if you think about the income potential that people who are depressed and have long systemic depression, if you think about the income potential that has on them, where they may not have the ability to excel in their current careers, or they don't have the ability to, complete a secondary or third sorry they don't have the ability to complete a secondary or advanced degree that is going to increase their income. They may not have the ability to even maintain a job. So if you think about the long-term impacts that it has just on your income potential, depression can really impact you financially. That's one. Two, when you're depressed, you're not meal prepping, you're not cooking, you're not, eating healthy. A lot of times people eat their emotions and their depression, and it shows up in that way. And so you're constantly door dashing food, or you're constantly Uber eating stuff. You're constantly eating out and drinking smoothies and stuff, or even coffee. Think about coffee, drinking coffee at Starbucks every day because you're not sleeping at night, because you're anxious. Like mental health can really pay a impact on your financial success, and just spending frivolously, right? People who have shopping addictions due to depression because they just, try to cover up childhood trauma or experiences that they have with shopping and hoping that will make them feel better. So there are tons of ways that not having a healthy mental mindset can show up to drag you financially. So that is something that I was talking about with my friends today, and I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. And not only that, but I wanted to provide some resources that you guys can look into that will help get you in a good place mentally so that you can succeed financially and go after those big dreams that you guys may have. So Psychology Today is a great resource that you guys can look at to find mental health specialists. They have therapists, like social workers, psychologists, psychiatrists, if that's something that you guys are interested in. I'll leave the link down below so that you guys can look it up. And also too, and what I really like about it is that it is nationally. So you don't have to have a specific area. You can just research your area and find the closest therapist to you. So I hope you guys look into that if mental health is something that you battle with, and just really get the help that you need. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to help each other out, speak positivity to each other, be a light in someone's life. So if you have any additional resources, just leave them down in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.